Yeah.
Still looks cool.
The diamond. Oh. Hey.
Damn. My teeth are me toast, man. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to the video. New year. Got my play button. This thing is a monster of a trophy. This thing is, it's heavy. 10.5 pounds of, I think they said like aluminum, space grade aluminum or something fancy like that. So again, thank you guys so much for making 10 million on this YouTube channel possible. But I know you didn't click to watch me say thank you. I did that in a whole nother video. Today, we're eating the diamond play button. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, now we're making a diamond play button and then we're gonna eat it. 3 boxes of Rice Krispie Treats, 2 bags of marshmallows, 5 pounds of fondant, silver edible food paint, 2 pounds of isomalt crystals, 32 ounces epoxy resin, candy, thermometer, epoxy resin coloring, butter. Alright, so these are all the components that are going into my edible diamond play button. I've tested it, I've planned it, so I'm anticipating that it's gonna look good, but I don't know. So without further ado, let's get cooking. Alright, for the center, the core of the diamond play button, we're gonna make a giant Rice Krispie treat. Alright, so yep, this is good enough. We're gonna make a full tray and then trim it down. Alright, make sure the butter doesn't burn. Alright.
Ooh, that smell.
Oh, this pan's big enough. Here we go.
Hey.
Oh, that looks good actually. Look at that. Equal parts. 4 ounces of each. By the way, I'm pretty sure this is food safe. I remember people saying that you can make food in this. I don't know if all epoxy is food safe though, so don't go to Home Depot and just buy any epoxy. Check if it's food safe, please. Alright, so we're making the mold around a handmade little wood replica of the crystal portion diamond play button. What is that? Alright, so we're gonna let the resin set for 24 hours until we can unmold it and then pour the sugar in. So we're gonna let that set over here. Alright, it's been 24 hours. There's the mold. So these are isomalt crystals. It's like basically sugar, just not. Basically, when I tested it, this came out much clearer looking like glass than normal sugar. Alright, crystals going in. I mean, this is gonna take like hour, or an hour, maybe.
An hour. Turn up the heat.
Yeah, brown.
Eventually. One hour later.
Alright, the moment of truth.
And oh, there you go. Fruit. This is not how I intended. This is come out. Yeah. Crack.
There we go. Yeah. Oh. Damn. It's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I mean, it ain't quite clear as it.
Maybe that little buff and polish.
Yeah, but all right, baby. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for the night. Fast forward to tomorrow morning. Alright guys, it's a few days later. Ran into some problems with the play button crystal. I don't know what happened to this. This thing is gnarly now. It's like covered in this white mold looking shit. I think we didn't saran wrap it. Anyways, spent yesterday working on made a couple new ones. This was a failed attempt. Aluminum got in it. But finally, I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to pick it up. I gotta some close-ups on the camera. But it came out good. It still looks clear. Alright, so with this figured out, it's time to cut the Rice Krispie. Alright, so we chilled the Rice Krispie so we can cut it easier.
That sounds delicious.
Alright, looking pretty cool. It's hard to see on the camera any ridges and such, but they are there. It should show in the fondant. So let's get to the fondant. This is only my second time working with fondant. Another one was like a little baby test.
Well, what is fondant? This is sugar?
I honestly don't know. Oh! So I'll lift it up, you just feed it under. Cool. Just trim the fondant. Ooh. Boom. All right. So now we gotta quickly spray this thing down.
Spray it down.
Today we got 100% edible metallic food paint. I don't know if this thing's gonna just like blast as soon as I hit the button. Here we go. Ready? All right, cool. Jesus, this is intense. This is like the crux. This is where it all comes together, or not. All right. I think our little friend here died, but just in time. We got pretty much done. So let's clean up a bit here. Dude, that was good on camera. Holy shit. Okay, wait, we gotta set this down. Alright, here we go. This is the piece of resistance.
What the hell?
Oh, come on. Alright guys, so right here, this is the official YouTube diamond play button, and this is the 100% edible, the 100% edible diamond play button. Oh my god. Alright guys, there it is. I'm just gonna say this thing right here clocks in at 10 million calories. I'll do the math on this later, but I think that's right. This is gonna be my biggest challenge ever. So without further ado, let's eat my diamond play button. All right, give me that countdown, Morgan.
10 mil in 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah.
Dude, this is too much fun, man. This is good. How is that still stuck in there?
Yeah, no, that's really.
What? Ah.
How does it taste?
Put a right sugar sugar on it.
Yeah. Munch, 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 munch. Come on, come on.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I didn't see you chew that. Got blood on it.
Okay, guys, fair enough. If you're gonna complain about not finishing the challenge, I guess I can't say I completed the challenge.
Like, oh.
Alright guys, well that's it. That was the I'm eating my diamond play button challenge. No clickbait. We don't have to clickbait on this challenge. If I'm saying I'm gonna eat my diamond play button, no troll. I'm eating the diamond play button. So that's probably one of the coolest challenges I've done. I was like, I gotta make this play button as good as possible. So yeah, this video is gonna get a lot of thumbs down because I didn't actually eat my diamond play button.
Yeah.
Fake clickbait. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Turned out that was awesome. That was cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Fun video. Again, thank you guys so much for everything, views, clicks, whatever, but thank you for helping this channel hit 10 million subscribers, a milestone that I would have never imagined ever. So cool stuff coming up in this year. I've been planning a lot for this year, so I'll keep that stuff in the low. I'll pump it out as we go, but it's gonna be good here hopefully. But with that said, I can't help being my own hype man. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next food challenge. Dude, this kitchen's sick, man. I'm so happy with how this came out.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks really cool on camera. Like, that was one of the visions I had for it. It's just how it looked on camera. Got the split aluminum, stainless steel, metal look, so then it balanced. A little bit of color. Got the pineapple there. That's a real pineapple, by the way. It's ripe. If anybody knows pineapples, you see how yellow that is. That's fucking ripe.
Yeah.